The organization chart helps people understand the structure of the company, who they report to, and who their colleagues are. It also shows the chain of command and the flow of authority within the organization. In the simplest form, an organization chart looks like a pyramid with the highest level of authority at the top and the lower levels below. Each level represents a different level of management or responsibility. In this video, we are going to discuss about organization chart of housekeeping department in a large hotel. At the top of the hierarchy of organization chart is the head of housekeeping department, who is the executive housekeeper. He directly reports to the general manager, and if it is a large hotel with room division department, then will report to room division manager. Room division works on the top of both front office and housekeeping department. Now, to assist executive housekeeper, there is an assistant housekeeper just below executive housekeeper. Also, there could be personal assistant or secretary for executive housekeeper for handling appointment, managing meetings, and doing extra ancillary work. Now, this assistant housekeeper looks after the various areas of responsibilities such as control desk, floors where guest rooms are located, public areas, linen and uniform room, and horticulture. These are the sub-departments of housekeeping. For introduction and sections of housekeeping, go through this video. It will make easier to understand organization chart. Firstly, talk about the guest rooms, which are on the floors. So, to handle and supervise everything related to housekeeping, we have floor supervisor. Below supervisors, we have guest room attendant or guest room maids. GRA, look for all guest rooms and floors cleaning. Now, for handling public area cleaning, such as lobby, coffee shop, restaurants, swimming pool area, etc., we have public area supervisors. These supervises public area attendant, or in some hotels called house persons or houseman. In large hotels, we have head houseman, and below them, houseman. Also, as public areas, washrooms, especially which is in the lobby, are used frequently. So a special person is assigned for cleaning these public washrooms, called cloakroom attendant. He also reports to public area supervisor. Now, all of the inter and intra-departmental coordination of housekeeping department is managed by control desk, which is handled by control desk supervisor. It is the center or heart of housekeeping, from where all housekeeping activities are controlled. Linen and uniform section also comes under housekeeping department, which is handled by linen and uniform supervisor, who reports to assistant housekeeper. In this section, there are several employees such as tailors, upholsterers. Upholsterers are like super skilled people who work with furniture like chairs and sofas to make them look beautiful and feel comfortable. They put on soft padding and cover the furniture with different fabrics or materials like cloth or leather to make it cozy and nice to sit on. They can also fix old or damaged furniture, making it look brand new again. Attendant or maids, storekeeper, runner or valets, who are responsible for handling guest laundry. Then housekeeping also looks after the horticulture section, which is responsible for all the indoor and outdoor greenery of the hotel, such as gardens, landscaping, hedges, flowers, etc. This department is headed by horticulturist, and below him we have head gardener and gardeners. Also, to take care of all flower arrangement requirements, we have florist and assistant florist. If hotel has its own laundry, it's called on-premises laundry, and it also comes under housekeeping. For laundry, we have separate hierarchy. It is headed by laundry manager, followed by supervisor and other staff called laundry attendants, such as washer, presser, or ironer or pressman, spotter, for spotting and fixing stains on the cloths and linen, folder and stacker for folding and stacking all line-in-line store, dry cleaners, etc. In most cases, if we have in-house laundry and laundry manager, then linen and uniform room is also given under laundry manager to manage. In that case, these all will report to laundry manager, and laundry manager report to assistant housekeeper or executive housekeeper. Well guys, that's all for the video. I hope you like it. If you do, hit like button. For any doubt or suggestion, comment down below.